First of all, welcome to the State House. I welcome you all here, and I welcome the parents too and the guardians that are here with you today. First of all, I must commend the parents for the healthy looking, the bright little eyes looking at me today. Thank you for keeping them up early in the morning and encouraging them to come to kindergarten. Yeah, and I know some of you have woken up so early, and I can see a little bit wanting to fall off to sleep. I won't make my speech long so that you get to enjoy your day. Well, I am the president. Yes, thank you, son. Yeah, I'm the president, and my job here is to see that everybody in Fiji is well taken care of, especially you. I want to make sure that you get good education. I want to make sure that your parents take care of you. That is part of my job, to make sure that you enjoy your childhood, and also make sure that they prepare you when you go into school in the next few years. So I hope and I pray that you will always treasure this trip here, that you will take visit to the State House and you will take good memories. Just before I end my speech, I just want to ask, who wants to be president? Oh, I've got a lot of competitors here. Oh my God. Oh my God. That's good. Okay? Dream to be a president. Right? Remember this, you have to dream to be a president. When you go inside there, see what you can see, try to capture that in your mind. That one day, you'll be president. When I was a small boy like you, I always dreamed to wear the uniform I wore yesterday. I wanted to be an officer. So my dream came true. I wore that Zulu and the white. You saw me on TV. Me. Yeah. How did I do? Did I do good, or thumbs up or thumbs down? Okay, good. So we're good to go.